baby TV.
A is for apple.
Sib.
Apple. A is for avocado. Avocado. A is for ant. Ant.
Chunti.
A is for airplane. Airplane.
Hawai jahaz.
A is for alligator. Alligator.
Magarmach.
B is for ball.
Gend.
Ball.
Gend.
B is for
Reach.
bear.
Reach.
Bear. B is for banana. Banana.
Kela.
B is for bus. Bus. B is for bulldozer. Bulldozer. C is for car.
Gali.
Car. C is for cat. Cat.
Billy.
C is for clock. Clock.
Ghali.
C is for cake. Cake. C is for caterpillar. Caterpillar.
Cindy.
D is for dog.
Kutta.
Dog. D is for dolphin. Dolphin. D is for duck. Duck.
Battakh.
D is for deer.
Hiran.
Deer. D is for donkey. Donkey.
Gadha.
E is for eagle.
Uqab.
Eagle. E is for earth.
Zameen.
Earth. E is for egg.
Anda.
Egg. E is for elephant.
Hathi.
Elephant. E is for excavator. Excavator.
Khudai karne wala.
F is for fish.
Machli.
Fish. F is for fox.
Lungri.
Fox. F is for frog.
Mendak.
Frog. F is for fire.
Ag.
Fire. F is for football. Football. F is for fly.
Makhi.
Fly. G is for goat.
Bakra.
Goat. G is for grasshopper.
Tidda.
Grasshopper. G is for giraffe.
Zarafa.
Giraffe. G is for grapes.
Angur.
Grapes. G is for grapefruit. Grapefruit. G is for guava.
Amrud.
Guava. H is for helicopter. Helicopter. H is for heart.
Dil.
Heart. H is for horse.
Ghoda.
Horse. H is for house.
Ghar.
House. H is for hat.
Topi.
Hat. H is for hen.
Murri.
Hen. I is for iron.
Istri.
Iron. I is for insect.
Kira.
Insect. I is for iguana.
Goh.
Iguana. I is for ibis.
एक किस्म का परिंदा.
Ibis. I is for impala.
अफ्रीका का एक हिरन.
I is for igloo.
बर्फ का घर.
J is for jackal.
गीदड़.
Jackal. J is for jaguar.
Teindua.
jaguar. J is for jellyfish,
Sitara Machli.
jellyfish. J is for jelly, jelly. J is for jam,
Meetha Murabba.
jam. J is for juice,
Ras.
juice.
Ras.
K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. K is for koala,
Khasa.
koala. K is for kite,
Patan.
kite. K is for kiwi, kiwi. K is for ketchup,
Tomato ki chutney.
K is for key,
Shabi.
key. L is for lemon,
Limum.
lemon. L is for leaf,
Patta.
leaf. L is for lamp,
Charal.
lamp. L is for lion,
Sher.
lion. L is for ladybug,
Surkh Bhanwara.
L is for lizard,
Shipkali.
lizard. M is for motorcycle, motorcycle. M is for mango, mango. M is for monkey,
Bandar.
monkey. M is for milk,
Doodh.
milk. M is for melon,
Kharbuza.
melon. M is for mandarin, mandarin. N is for necklace,
Har.
necklace. N is for nose,
Nak.
nose. N is for nest,
Ghosla.
nest. N is for nut, nut. N is for napkin,
Rumal.
napkin. N is for nail,
Ki.
nail. O is for orange,
Kinu.
orange. O is for onion,
Pyaz.
onion. O is for owl,
Ullu.
owl. O is for octopus, octopus. O is for ostrich,
Shutarmur.
ostrich. O is for omelette, omelette. P is for parrot,
Tuta.
parrot. P is for peacock,
Mor.
peacock. P is for panda, panda. P is for penguin, penguin. P is for pie,
Samosa.
pie. P is for pineapple,
Ananas.
pineapple. Q is for quail,
Batir.
quail.
Batir.
Q is for queen,
Malika.
queen.
Malika.
Q is for quinoa, quinoa. Q is for quad bike, quad bike. R is for rooster,
Murga.
rooster. R is for rabbit,
Khargosh.
rabbit. R is for rose,
gulab,
rose. R is for ring,
अंगूठी,
ring. R is for rain,
बारिश,
rain. R is for rocket, rocket. S is for snake,
सांप,
snake. S is for sun,
सूरज,
sun. S is for shark, shark. S is for spoon,
चम्मच,
spoon. S is for sheep,
भीड़,
sheep. S is for strawberry, strawberry. T is for train,
रेलगाड़ी,
train. T is for tractor, tractor. T is for tiger,
शेर,
tiger. T is for turtle,
कछुआ,
turtle. T is for tree,
दरख्त,
tree. T is for tomato,
टमाटर,
tomato. U is for ukulele,
चौतारा बाजा,
ukulele. U is for umbrella,
छतरी,
umbrella. U is for Uriel, Uriel. U is for unicycle, unicycle. V is for vegetables,
सब्जियां,
vegetables. V is for vulture,
गिद्ध,
vulture. V is for van,
गाड़ी,
van. V is for violin,
सारंगी,
violin. W is for wolf,
भेड़िया,
wolf. W is for whale, whale. W is for watermelon,
तरबूज,
watermelon. W is for walrus,
दरियाई घोड़ा,
walrus. W is for watch,
घड़ी,
watch. W is for window,
खिड़की,
window. X is for X-ray, X-ray. X is for xylophone, xylophone. X is for xanthus, xanthus. X is for xerus, xerus. Y is for yolk,
जर्दी,
yolk. Y is for yogurt,
दही,
yogurt. Y is for yo-yo,
डोरीदार लट्टू,
yo-yo. Y is for yam,
शकरकंदी,
yam. Y is for yak,
जंगली बैल,
yak. Y is for yacht,
कुश्ती,
yacht. Z is for zebra, zebra. Z is for zucchini,
तोरी,
zucchini. Z is for zipper, zipper. Z is for zoo,
चिड़ियाघर
zoo,
Baby TV. जानवरों के नाम और आवाजें।
हॉर्स माने घोड़ा।
duck,
डक माने बत्तख।
काऊ माने गाय। sheep माने भेड़। हॉर्स माने घोड़ा। रोस्टर माने मुर्गा।
lion,
लायन माने शेर।
monkey,
मंकी माने बंदर।
horse,
हॉर्स माने घोड़ा।
Rooster.
रूस्टर माने मुर्गा
Owl.
आउल माने उल्लू
Cow.
काव माने गाय
Dog.
डॉग माने कुत्ता
Sheep.
शीप माने भेड़
Deer.
डियर माने हिरन
Hen.
हैन माने मुर्गी
Goat.
गोट माने बकरा
Lamb.
लैम्प माने दुम्बा फ्रॉग माने मेंढक
Frog.
फ्रॉग माने मेंढक
Elephant.
एलिफेंट माने हाथी
crow, crow,
crow माने कौवा
tiger, tiger,
टाइगर माने चीता
donkey,
डोंकी माने गधा
donkey, parrot,
पैरेट माने तोता
parrot, chimpanzee, chimpanzee, peacock, peacock, turkey, turkey, rabbit, rabbit, frog, frog,
माने मेंढक
हाथी हाथी
cat,
कैट माने बिल्ली
cuckoo.
कुकू माने कोयल.
गोट माने बकरा. लायन माने शेर.